I welcome you all for the next discussion in continuation of the previous topic. In this particular video, we will be discussing the second on-site sanitation treatment system, that is package sewage treatment plant, and the little bit introduction about the MBR, MBBR and FMBR. So let us see each and every unit and the treatments in detail. The contents are the package sewage treatment plant, under that the activated sludge process, trickling filter and rotating biological contactor, and the little bit introduction or the elementary idea about the MBR, that is membrane bioreactor, MBBR and FMBR. So let us start with the package sewage treatment plant. Package sewage treatment plant is a prefabricated structure, as you can see in the figure. Package sewage treatment plant is intended for the small installation where the septic tank effluent is treated by activated sludge process to clean the filter or by rotating biological contactor. It can be used for township, hotel, small and medium size cities, educational hub, remote construction site, etc. So, in one single unit, all the treatments are carried out. The types are, the first type of package sewage treatment plant is activated sludge process. If the process or the operation is taking place on the activated sludge principle, and if such arrangement is provided in the package, then it is called as a activated sludge plant. So let us see what is happening. Raw sewage is filled into the septic tank, then it is passed to the aeration tank for the aeration, same as in the activated sludge process. The sludge formed in the aeration tank is separated in the clarifier and some quantity is returned to the septic tank or aeration tank, and the remaining part of it is disposed. The effluent from the clarifier is then disinfected and discharged. The same flow chart you can see in the figure. Here the wastewater is coming in the sedimentation tank, then it goes to the aeration tank where the aeration is carried out, and as you know, the aeration in the aeration tank, the biomass remains in suspension, causes the decomposition and the stabilization of organic matter, from where it goes to the clarifier where the settled sludge is taken out and the clear supernatant goes to the tertiary filter or to the disinfectant unit. The part of it will be recycled to maintain the food to microorganism ratio in the aeration tank. So all these system, all these units, as in the conventional treatments, all these units are provided separately, but in the package sewage treatment plant, all these units are assembled and provided in one single assembly or prefabricated structure. So that is why it is called as a package sewage treatment plant. Second type is the trickling filter. Raw sewage from the septic tank is treated and supernatant produced is distributed over the bed of media of trickling filter, as same as in the trickling filter in the secondary treatment plant. The biofilm is established on the filter media. This biofilm, enriched with the microorganism, carry out the putrefaction of the wastewater. Effluent is passed to the humus tank where the settled sludge or the biomass is discharged safely and effluent is disinfected and discharged. So all the units like septic tank, trickling filter, humus tank and disinfection unit is all units are kept in one prefabricated structure. Next is the rotating biological contactor. The raw sewage in the is collected into the septic tank and supernatant passed through the troughs containing rotating discs that are partially submerged in the sewage. Biofilm develops on the disc and slopes off as soon as it becomes thicker. The rotating disc exposes the biofilm or mass to the air, resulting into the aeration of the film. Slowed biofilm are separated from the treated wastewater in humus tank and effluent is discharged and disinfected and discharged. Same as the attached growth process, here the rotating discs are provided. If you see the corresponding figure, the effluent coming out from the septic tank is discharged into one tank. The tank is provided with the two discs which are rotating. The axis of those rotating discs is in horizontal direction, and the sufficient care we have to take that the disc will be in the submerged condition, that is, it will be in contact with the wastewater. When the discs are rotated, then the portion which were in contact with the wastewater will get exposed to the air, and continuously the aeration or the oxygen requirement will be supplied or the maintained. During all this procedure, the biofilm will get start forming on the rotating disc, and thereby the wastewater is treated by the microorganism present in the biofilm. As the film gets thicker, it starts slowing, and then all the slowed and the treated wastewater is taken to the humus tank, where it gets separated, the sludge gets separated, and the wastewater, the treated effluent is disinfected and discharged safely. Next introduction, next is the technology is the membrane treatments. Now let us see what exactly is the membrane treatment, what is the membrane bioreactor and all. Membrane bioreactor MBR consists of biological reactor with a suspended biomass and solid separation by microfiltration membrane with nominal size ranging from 0.1 to 0.4 micrometer. MBR system may be used with the aerobic and anaerobic suspended growth bioreactor to separate a treated wastewater from the active biomass. It can be used for domestic and industrial wastewater. MBR can operate at higher MLSS concentration, thereby result in high volumetric loading, shorter hydraulic retention time, longer SRT, that is solid retention time, results in less production. Then operation at low DO concentration and high quality effluent in terms of low turbidity, bacteria, TSS and BOD and less space. If you see the figure here, the complete membrane bioreactor is shown. Here the wastewater, after the solid removal, after giving the pre-treatment, the wastewater is taken to the aeration zone, where the aeration is oxygen is provided, thereby the decomposition of organic matter takes place. Then the organic matters which bacteria, organic matter and treated wastewater which remains in suspension is taken to the membrane, where as membrane filter filters the effluent and separates the effluent and the solid mass or the organic mass. Organic matter is taken which is in the form of sludge is taken out, and the treated effluent is taken to the disinfection plant. The two types of assemblies of MBR can be adopted as shown in the below figure. It may be side stream type or submerged type. So it may happen that the filter can be provided apart from or away from the or outside the bioreactor, or it may be provided inside the bioreactor. The concept of MBR consists of utilizing a bioreactor and microfiltration as a one unit process for wastewater treatment, thereby replacing the solid separation function of secondary clarification and effluent filtration. Means whatever filtration or the sedimentation is taking place in the secondary treatment by the secondary clarifier or the sedimentation tank or the humus tank, that unit or that process is replaced by the MBR, where the MBR or the membranes are used for the filtration or for the separation of humus and the sludge. MBR have a two basic configuration, as I said: integrated bioreactor that uses membrane immersed in the Bioreactor and recirculated MBR are the separate unit process requiring the immediate pumping step. So as I said, the membranes are provided outside the bioreactor or it may be submerged. Then second type is moving bed bioreactor, that is MBBR. MBBR technology employs the particle polyethylene on which the bacteria grows, developing a biofilm or the free moving particle which reduces the impurities and therefore sludge mass stabilizes. Sludge is removed in the tank after the settlements. Means here in this particular method, the moving bed bioreactor, that is the moving beds, that is polythene particles are provided on which bacteria grows. So these polythene particles remains in suspension or remain moving in the system, and thereby they will come in close contact with the wastewater, and it results in the stabilization of wastewater. As the bacteria grows on the particles and the film is get formed. So after that, all the wastewater along with the polythene particles are taken out in the clarifier, where the polythene particles along with the biomass are separated due to the higher specific gravity than water, and the clear water is taken out from the top. Then the fluidized membrane bioreactor. FMBR consists of fluidized bed of 0.4 to 0.5 mm size sand or activated carbon. Bed depth are in the range of 3 to 4. The wastewater is fed upward and velocities of 30 to 36 meter per hour is maintained. Sand or activated carbon act as a fluidized particle which is a support media to the microorganism and the membrane that permits the treated water to pass but not the organism. The fluidized particle come into direct contact with the membrane. The membrane may be of different types such as hollow tube membrane, tubular membrane or flat sheet membrane. So if you see the assembly or the construction, the influent is discharged from the bottom and it rises up. When it rises up, they will come in contact with the activated carbon or the sand particles. The sand particle will help or will play a role as a bed media for the microorganisms to grow. So sufficient porosity is maintained and the fluid will filter through the media and it is taken out from the top. The FMBR can be used in two different modes, one in which membrane are placed with the biological reactor itself and other in which membrane filtration is carried out in the separate step following the biological treatment system. Advantages of this system is improved retention of biomass, reduction in membrane clogging by the sorption and scoring action of fluidized particle in reactor which are in direct contact with the membrane. In this particular video, we have discussed about the package treatment plant and the different types of membrane treatment like MBR, FMBR and MBBR to treat the wastewater from the small communities. Thank you for watching.